A series of events were held Tuesday in China's Chongqing to commemorate 140 years since the late U.S. Army General Joseph Stilwell's birth. Stilwell fought side by side with the Chinese people during the War of Resistance against Japanese aggression. Stilwell's residence in the city was converted into a museum dedicated to his service that opened to the public in 1994. Stilwell is the only high-ranking U.S. military figure who has a museum dedicated to his memory in China.
The Chinese people never forget a friend, and Stilwell certainly was a friend. The Stilwell Museum has, and I am sure will, contribute to remembering that legacy in the future by hosting people-to-people activities. My sister and I have been to China many times. We originally came in 1987. My grandmother actually led a group of 15 of ourselves, our parents, and our family members to come to China. And I think that really opened the door for us to recognize the importance of the Chinese people, the American people, and keeping up great relations moving forward. Each time we feel like the friendships just continue to grow, and we are at the ready to continue to do what we can in order to foster the relationship.
It is definitely emotional in a very positive way. I think the planting of the tree was very symbolic. I would love to come back years from now and see that tree just blossom in addition to the friendship we have with the Chinese people.